Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Ibrahim. Today I will be redoing my wudu. And to start, I have to first make the intention and say Bismillah. Bismillah. First thing you have to do is wash your hand 3 times. So, in between the fingers. That's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. Now I have to wash the mouth and rinse it 3 times. Now I have to wash my nose and sniff it out, but I have to use my left hand for this. And that's also 3 times. And now I have to wash my face 3 times, and this time my thumb has to be covering my whole face. Like this. That's 1. 2. And that's 3. And after that, you have to wash your hands from your wrist all the way down to your elbows through here. If you don't do this, then your wudu is not accepted. So I'll show you. Some of the right arm. Now I have to wash, now you have to wash your hair, but you don't have to you don't have to like have water in your hands. You just have to wet your hands, and you go like that. Now you have to wash your ears 3 times also, and you just make these parts of your fingers wet, go like this, and you clean all of your ears. That's 1. 2. And that's 3. And now, last step, you have to wash your feet, and I'll show you in a second. Now for this step, you have to wash the right foot first, and it has to be all the way up to the ankle. You have to wash the foot and the heel and all the way up to the ankle. I'll show you right now. Take a little bit of water, pour it, and clean all of your foot. Just like that. Same with the left foot. Take it, put some water, and clean all the way up to the ankle. The heel, the foot, and the ankle. All of it. Just like that, you made your wudu. Turn off the water, and you can dry your hands, dry your body, dry your feet. Then after that, you can leave. And after leaving, you have to say the Shahada. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. And that's it. That's all you need to do for wudu. Thank you so much.
وننزل من القرآن ما هو شفاء ورحمة للمؤمنين ولا يزيد